Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel. My name is Shama Sajwani and you're watching Upskill Yourself. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new Apple Watch Series 10 Matte Black, and with that, the Matte Black Sports Loop. We want to know what Apple is all packed inside this little beast. So today is all going to be about the unboxing experience and what are the first impressions. The next videos will talk about the reviews, the pros and cons, and then how to make the most out of your new Apple Watch Series 10. With that, let's get into it. So right out of the box, we are presented with the Apple Watch matte black version. I, for myself, got the 42mm because I have a very small wrist size. But if you're somebody with a bigger wrist, with a bigger arm, then I believe the 45 or the 46 will be ideal for you. And I feel like the 42 just fits perfectly on my arm. It's not too big, it's not too small. It just fits perfectly on my with my arm size. And the other things that you get, the other contents that you get with the box is the quick start guide and the magnetic charging cord. Now in the other box, which is for the sports loop, you get two pieces of loops. One's for the upper side, one's for the lower side. They connect very easily. They're also magnetic. They just click in and boom, you're ready to go. Now I really like how they have packaged it. It's all paper. There's nothing, there's no plastic on it. It's all nicely packaged. You can rip it apart. It's easy. It's not going to be messy. And even after that, it's easy to put that back in there if you still want to keep the box. My first impressions of looking at this watch is that how clean it is, how shiny it is, how premium looking feel it has of its own. It is sleek, it is smart, it is very Apple-y because it's quite minimal, and it is all powerful. So that's for the unboxing section, and now let's move on to the first impressions. Reason I got this watch is to test out the more advanced features that the watch brings to the table. The faster chipset, the watch OS 11, which claims it to be more intuitive, which would be for somebody who is not that tech savvy, would be able to easily understand and adapt with it. And the battery performance. So this watch claims up to 36 hours of battery time, which is insane. And I want to try that. I want to see how it works out, because in real world, if I have this on at all times, I'm sleeping with it, I am tracking all my day, all my steps, all my sleep cycles with it, it should not be lasting me that long, but we'll see. We'll try it out. That's what the next video would be for, to give you the proper review of this watch. And then it also claims that it has new health sensors. So that means the sensors on this thing are more accurate and will be giving you a much better data to work with if you're somebody who is already experiencing some kind of health related issue. This watch should be able to track you to the teeth and should help you and your doctor figure out what's going on. Just by the looks of it, I feel like it should be doing a better job because it has so many sensors at the back too. And even with having it wear for about a couple hours already, it doesn't feel heavy. It's so lightweight, it's so minimal, and the bands are also so breathable and so stretchy that you don't get fatigue wearing the watch. Because I remember I had another smartwatch previously. That watch was chunky, was heavy. I was just getting irritated by it all the time. So I would just go out, take it off, and just be okay. I don't want anything on my wrist anymore. But with this, things have changed. It's easy to put on, it's easy to wear it for the whole day. I haven't tried sleeping through the night with this watch, but we'll see how comfortable that is. And that's where the next videos will show you more about it. Okay, so that's it for me today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Please drop a like and comment. We really appreciate all your feedback coming on, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.